The title of the story is God's Food. God's food. God's food. A long time ago, about 300 years ago, there was a woman. She was very, very sad. She was very, very sad. She was a very sad woman. She was a mother. And she had 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. The first one, the oldest one, was 8 years old. The next one was 6. The third one was 4. The fourth child was 2. And the youngest child was only 1 month old. So it was a newborn baby. Newborn baby. Anyway, she was sad because she had a husband. And her husband was very, very nice, but he died about 6 months ago. 6 months ago. He died about 6 months ago, and now this woman was a widow. Widow means someone whose husband is dead, and so she doesn't have a husband anymore. Now, that's why she was sad. Her husband died, and because her husband didn't bring any money because he's dead, she didn't have enough money to buy food for 5 children. The 5 children were hungry. They were suffering. They suffered hunger. They suffered the greatest hunger because she did not have money to buy food, and so these children sometimes did not eat anything all day. So they were always very, very hungry.